A quiet field beneath the sky, a man and woman standing by. The serpent calls with ancient grace, a truth reflected in their space. It shows the spark that lives within, desires pull, the shadows spin, the hidden thoughts that rise and fall, the deeper answers in it all. The serpent moves where truth is born, a sign of love, both bright and torn. It brings the fire that helps them see the path towards self-discovery. Two hearts stand close yet worlds apart, each holding pieces of the heart. Oh, the serpent shows what lies below, the parts of self they seldom show. It wins between their hopes and fears, it stirs the truth that each one hears, a call to grow through what they share, a force that asks them both to dare. The serpent